So this says solve this inequality. And when it comes to inequalities, there's some rules that you can follow and some things that you can do. What I like to do is just set them equal to 0, and then you have to test the values to determine what you plug in. So what I mean by that is I'm going to think in my head, all right, I've got 8 over x minus 7 is equal to 2 over x minus 7. And we could cross multiply to find out when those are equal. So think of it like this. And so I'm going to multiply this by this and multiply this by this to set them equal to each other. So I've got 8x minus 7 is equal to 2 times x minus 7. I get 8x minus 56 is equal to 2x minus 14. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I get 6x minus 56 is equal to negative 14. I'm going to add 56 to both sides. And I get 6x is equal to, what is that? Is it something? No. 42, I think, right? Yes. Yeah, 42? 42? All right. So we get 42, and then so x equals 7. So now what that means is we're either going to look at a number that's greater than 7 or a number that's less than 7, okay? So what I do is I just test one of the values and see if it makes the statement true or not. It's a negative, right? So you got to think on the number line, this is not true, right? This is like negative 8/7, right? And if I were to do a number line, negative 2/7 would be over here. So this is not true. Does that make sense? So it's a good thing. I always double check. See, Mr. Adams makes mistakes just like you guys do, but I always double check my work before I select an answer. So the harsh reality of it is that when good thing I double check. I thought it might be this way, but it turns out it's actually this way. What I was thinking in my head was, if I plug in 8, in other words, if I say 8 over 8 minus 7 is greater than 2 over 8 minus 7, I realized that I'd have 8 over 1, which is actually greater than 2. I thought that in my head, and I said, well, it can't be both. It has to be one or the other. And I was like, well, and then I went back and I double-checked, and I remembered, no, this is further on the left on the number line, right? So this is 0. So the further to the left we go, the lesser it is. So, which one is it, you guys? Nope. D.